Welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, located in Orlando, Florida, right in the center of all the action. Let's take a full resort tour and a room tour. Stay tuned. You must be planning a trip to Disney, and if so, you're looking at a great resort. This place was awesome. We'll start right in the front. This is where the shuttles are. The shuttles will take you right around the resort, anywhere you'd like to go. Also, to the parks. We use the bus transportation to get to Magic Kingdom. Other than that, we use the Skyline. Disney no longer provides transportation to and from the airport. Mears Connect fills that void. So when you're at the airport, feel free to go to the same area you did before, but now you'll pay $16 to jump on that bus and head to your resort. There is a valet, there is a bell service, so there's a lot going on out front of the hotel before you get inside. We visited during Christmas time. It was beautiful. They did an awesome job decorating. The lobby is beautiful. Check-in was quick. There's a lot going on here. This is like the central artery of the resort. With that said, we're going to take a look around and give you a detailed look at what this resort has to offer. Hey you, watching our video. Yeah, you. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Centertown Market is where you're going to grab a bite to eat. So if you're hungry for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can come by here, order what you'd like. They serve it up right to you, and you're good to go. Coffee, juice, Coke Freestyle, whatever you'd like to drink, they have it. There's full seating indoor, and there's also seating outdoors. So if it's a beautiful day out, enjoy some sunshine and a view. There's a grab and go, so this is an awesome spot. If you just want to grab a quick drink, some snacks, some things to take back to the room. Calypso's Trading Post was awesome. They had everything you could want. This was a really great store to grab any Disney branded merchandise, snacks, drinks, any toiletries that you may have forgot to bring, alcoholic beverages, and pretty much anything you could want. So it was awesome. They also had some basic normal snacks like Doritos, dips, gummy bears, just regular snacks that you would have at home. So that was very helpful to have some comfort food as well. If you're planning a trip to Disney and you're thinking about the Caribbean Beach Resort, Well, go ahead and let us know what you're thinking in the comments. Any questions that you have, anything that we can help you out with, we're here to help. So feel free to reach out. Out to the courtyard area. This area has the restaurant, has a bar, has the pools, and walkways to all the different areas of the resort. So let's go for a walk. These maps are located throughout the resort, so you can always find out where you're at and find the easiest path to where you'd like to go. See that resort off in the distance? That's Disney's Riviera Resort. Super fancy and beautiful. We did a resort tour there as well. They have a rooftop bar and restaurant. You're gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe. Sebastian's Baristo to the left, Banana Cabana to the right. The bistro is where you'd have dinner. Make a reservation, get something to eat. It was closed. We were here in the middle of the day. Now, Banana Cabana seemed like it was a great place with a lot of action in the evening, so you might want to stop by and have a drink. The weather was not great when we were here, but the kids didn't care. They were in the pool having a ball. We're going to make our way around the lake, visiting Barbados, Trinidad, Jamaica, and Aruba. So you can see the different architecture of the different areas. It's pretty cool, and they have their own beach areas, play areas. They all have swimming pools too as well, and they're exactly the same. So we're not going to tour all the pools. We'll tour one, and you'll see that they're all the same throughout. Now, this is not a swimming lake, but there are beaches, so you kids can play in the sand and you can lay out in the sun. With that said, you can rent a boat and you can go fishing if you'd like. Wanted to check in, make sure you're okay. Yeah? Great. Well, since you're okay, why don't you give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. It seems much quieter here on the other side of the lake. I really like it over here. There's a little bit more vegetation. The architecture is a little bit more beautiful. And we have views of the Riviera and the Skyliner going right over the top of us. Pretty awesome. we've made it to Aruba. And this is the area where our room was. So guess what? It's time for that room tour we talked about. I love the consistency of Disney. The room is very familiar to the other resorts and the other rooms that we've stayed in the past. So I like it a lot. Plenty of outlets, the TV worked great, the water pressure was awesome, so no complaints at all. Welcome to Caribbean Cay. This is an awesome little island in the middle of the lake. There is seating, there's an area for movies at night, there's a playground for children, and it seems like it'd be a lot of fun if it was really nice outside. So I'm hoping next time we come that it is. This island and its bridges also connect you right back to Port Royale, right back to the lobby area, right back to the Calypso pool, right back to where all the action is, the food is. So it's a great shortcut, and that we used it all the time to go back and forth and grab food and snacks. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book yourself a trip at Disney. Visit the Caribbean Beach Resort and just have a blast. Thanks so much for watching.